Okay, this is what we call the ball kneeling contest, and I am Søren, and this is Emsen, and we will now eat a ball at the hurtigst we always. And if you wonder why we learn so good English, it's because we are in Denmark. So you will sit down.
Yes.
It's the cameraman. You got the side.
Yes, I got the time.
Side, you got to tell down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Isn't it dry?
It's fucking tør. Holy shit, it's tør. I can't even.
Who are winning? Who are winning? No. You can't cheat. He just tried to take some water.
Take a picture of the opvask.
What?
Take a picture of the opvask.
Yes.
You usually do that, but this doesn't take a long time. This is your son who doesn't want to wash up.
It looks very nice. Come on. I said it was very dry. Oh, who's in front? Are you in front?
No.
Oh, you. Can I see the other ones?
I think nobody's doing.
Hey, take it. The winner.
No! By knockout.
Yes, and can we see your nice hair? He puked all over your hair. It looks like tørbrød.
Now birds will come and eat your hair.
And this is for now, yes. See you later.
This has been an Emsen, Thomas, and Søren production. I hope to see you on our next.
I take the copyright.
Copyright us.
Now we'll have a vodka challenge.
It will come later.